Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram. The coordinates of vertices A, B, and C are this. Find the coordinate of the fourth vertex D. So three vertices of parallelogram are given to us. We are supposed to find the coordinates of the fourth vertex D. According to the question, I have drawn the figure. Okay, here you can see here A, B, and C are the three vertices whose coordinates I have written, and the fourth vertex coordinate we are supposed to find. Now there is a property of, this is the property of parallelogram. The opposite, the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. When you say diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, it means suppose if this point is M, then AM will be equal to CM and DM will be equal to BM. It means M is going to be the midpoint when you are going to consider diagonal AC as well as diagonal DB or BD. So straight away I'm going to use midpoint theorem. First I will use it for diagonal AC. From that I will get the values of A and B. Okay, so this is the first part that I'm going to do. For diagonal AC, because diagonals bisect each other, this is the property of parallelogram. So therefore, here M is the midpoint of AC. I will use midpoint theorem. I know coordinates of A. I know coordinates of C. From this, I'll get coordinates of M. So I'll get the values of A and B. Once you get the values of A and B, which is written in the black part, now I'm going to use same midpoint theorem for this diagonal. I know values of A and B from diagonal AC. Again, I will use midpoint theorem and I will get values of X and Y using midpoint theorem for diagonal DB or diagonal BD. Okay. First, you use midpoint theorem for this diagonal and get the values of A and B. This much at least you should be able to do on your own. Once you get the values of A and B, that is these values, again use midpoint theorem for this diagonal. You will be able to get the values of X and Y. Attempt this question on your own and send me whatever you get. The first step is going to be use midpoint theorem for this diagonal. Draw the diagram and continue.